To my video, and today in my video I am going to teach you how to solve the third layer of a Rubik's cube. In my first video and second video I told you how to solve the first layer and second layer of the Rubik's cube. If you want to know how to solve the first layer and second layer of the video of the Rubik's cube, you have to watch the other videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to face the yellow center facing us, and then what we have to check is these five parts, and then which shape are these five parts in yellow. So this is in L shape. Sometimes we will get in dot shape. If we get in L shape, no problem. Then put this one in our right and this one in our front. Then like this, 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 then like this. If we get in dot position, we have to change it to L by doing the same with any side, and then L into this position. And then what you have to do is hold it not like this, and then this side, then this side, then this side, then this side, then yeah. Now we have a plus. Then we have to check if all the colors are matched with their centers. No, these two are matched. Then take one matched in our right hand and one non-matched in our front. Do like this and check if they are matched. Okay, then also they are not matched. Then do this one again. After doing it sometime, you will get it. If you don't get it after doing that one 2 times, then I will tell you what to do. Then hold it like this. One correct should be in your left, one wrong in our front, and then like this, then and then match it. Now we have a plus matched to the center. So now we have to check if the corner pieces are in the right place. This is in right place. This is not twisted rightly, but red, blue, yellow. This is slightly twisted also. This is also in right place. This is also in right. This is also in right place. So after getting all these pieces in right place, pull this one down. Like this. Okay. Then this one. We should not change our cube's position, because if we change the cube's position, we will not get the cube solved. Okay, then we did it always here, then we should pull this one here itself. Then yeah. Okay, so we have get this much solved. Yeah, sometimes the whole cube gets solved. Most of the times the only this much get solved, this layer and some of these. So then what you have to do is take this piece is not there rightly in the place, so find that piece. Yeah, here it goes. Then pull this we have to match it with the down color, and then the blue is in this side, then the opposite side you should pull it to the opposite side, then down, then side, then up, then side, then down. Okay, now we have this much complete. Now like we did before with the yellow color, we have to do it with white. So we have got an L white. So yeah. I'm doing it fast because we haven't did it. We have done it already once. So this is at the right place. This is not. So take the right place, which is in the right place. We have to take it, and then put that on the right side and put the left up. Yeah. yeah, 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 yeah. Now check. This one is correct. This one is correct. This one is correct. Okay. Now we have to twist it like we did before. Okay. Then pull this one down into this one's place. Then like that, like that, like that, like. Okay. Now we get the white one solved again. Then we have to do that like we did before for the red one to be matched, the yellow one to be matched, and then we will get the cube solved. Okay. Okay. Let's do that again. So we have the cube like before. Now we have to do like we did at the first. So it's like yeah. I'm doing it quick because we have already done it. So let's match it now. Yeah. Then like hold it like this down. Yeah. And then match this one to there. Check if no. Then like we did before, we have to do that again. Okay. Now check. Now if it is not 2 times, we have to do like before. So now check. Yeah, correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. Which one is correct? This one is correct. Then put it on right, left. Yeah. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Okay. Now. Now pull this one to there. Then pull this one to there. So then like this, and the cube is solved. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.